Here you got a 56 Buick, and true to Buick, you still got them today. 4 portals, V8. V8 means you got 4 on each side, 4 cylinders. You notice how the chrome swoops down, comes back up like that. 4-door, looks very stylish with the 4-door. Amazingly, like, I don't know, just kicks ass, man. You notice how the 4th door is sculpted, not straight across. It's got like a body, molded into the body, whatever you call it. And the door itself is, you know what I mean? In other words, you look at that door, see? It'd be too cheap to do that kind of stuff today. See, that's what makes it, it's like a 4-door, and you're saying it's very stylish, though. Yeah. And get your oil bath air cleaner on it. There's your original colors for your motor. Looks like it's all original in here. Looks like all original. Even the AC looks original. It looks like it's got AC. And but no pillar. Baby blue two-tone. Automatic. You can see how the window is in the back. Great visibility. It wraps around like that. There's very little metal that's getting in your way when you're looking out, trying to see, from your rear view mirror going out that way or something. Excuse my hands in the way. You know what I mean? And you notice, look up on the hood. See that? Got a big old emblem up there. It's pretty wild. You look down at that thing, man. See it?
Yeah, let's go to the middle. This is the type of car Sherm had a car just like. You gonna buy it?
Yeah.
Like to, huh?
I mean, whatever I buy, it would be something I want to drive, no matter where.
I'm in my 80s, and every time I see these, it brings back so many great memories, compared to today.
Yeah, it's great, man. It's a nice car. Look how the dual exhaust kind of melts right into the bumper. You see what a bumper is? You got two bumpers kind of like there on the edge, plus the override. They didn't make nothing cheap back then, see? Buick Century. They didn't make nothing cheap back then. Some people were proud to do what they did, And I just want to see how much money they make off people, right? You notice even on a fuel cap filter, fuel filler, got that chrome around there, guard it. Putting the gas in there, chip up the paint and stuff. Sweet ride, man, very sweet. A lot of chrome in the inside too. Look at that piece of chrome going across there. See that? You got the little handle to open up the vent window on the top, and the big handles for the door window. It's a nice car, man. Very nice.